Maya, how old are you today? You are 2.5 days old, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. Oh, Maya. Here come. Tomorrow you're gonna meet your big sister Melania again. I'm sure you're so excited. Melania's excited to see you.